PRC2 senior scholarships are sponsored by American Furniture Warehouse. At American Furniture Warehouse, you can find your style and selection at a great value.
Back at 6:09 with you, kicking off our 8th year of awarding scholarships to high school seniors.
This year, with the help of American Furniture Warehouse, 20 more remarkable students will be surprised with $2,500 for college.
So we're excited to introduce you to our first senior of 2022. This bright young lady is active in G-Unity. That's a high school business program established by rapper 50 Cent. She's involved in her school's student council. She's also looking forward to studying theater in college. Sophia Ojeda headed to Worthing Early College High School to surprise this deserving senior.
Hi, I'm here with Alyssa Vogel from American Furniture Warehouse at Worthing High School. We're ready to surprise our KPRC2 Senior Scholarship winner.
Yes, we're so excited to be here and sponsor this scholarship. Giving back to the community is a huge part of what we're all about, especially our school. So let's go find her.
Aaliyah Tizino? On behalf of KPRC2 and American Furniture Warehouse, we want to congratulate you. You are KPRC2 Senior Scholarship winner.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
What school are you planning to go to?
Maybe UT Dallas, UTSA, San Antonio, but I'm going to stay in Texas.
There's a school group called the G-Unity?
Oh yes, I'm involved in G-Unity. It's a business program. And I really enjoy it. I learned a lot about becoming an entrepreneur, and you know, the ideas that my group came up with is very good.
What did you want to study when you go to college? What do you think you want to do?
I want to study theater. Yeah, so like when I go to college, I want to become an actress.
Aaliyah Tizino, congratulations again.
Hello, my name is Aaliyah Tizino, and I'm a KPRC Senior Scholarship winner.
Yeah.
Yes.
Congrats again to Aaliyah and HISD's Worthing Early College High School.
All students considered for the KPRC2 American Furniture Warehouse Senior Scholarship are nominated by their high schools. And you'll be able to see today's surprise again and keep up with the winners throughout the semester at click2houston.com/scholarship.
Good to see it all back, right? All right, still ahead.